Hi, how may I help you?
Hi, can I get one Baja Blast?
Today we're trying out TikTok
two
fast food
orders of
hacks.
cinnamon twists.
We're at
4
Taco Bell.
cinnamon delights.
I don't know what we're gonna talk about.
1 large flour tortilla.
Sorry?
1 large flour tortilla. We're ordering ingredients? What is this? What are you giving me here?
I'm sorry, I didn't get the last part.
Sorry, a large flour tortilla. Why
Like
am
you want
I
the
grocery
just the
shopping?
tortilla?
Yes, please.
Okay, 10 inch or a 12 inch?
Pardon me?
The 10 inch one or the 12 inch one?
The 12 inch, please.
12 inch, okay. Anything else?
2 sides of sour cream. I think that's everything.
And 2 sides of sour cream, is that right?
Why are we grocery shopping at Taco Bell?
Because TikTok grocery shops at Taco Bell. I don't know, Kevin. I didn't make this up. I got put the camera down. Let's see us. How was that, Kevin?
That was awkward. I think he heard what I said, but he pretended that like he didn't know what I was saying.
The first hack that Boob was very excited about that you can't have is apparently the cinnamon twists, which I feel like are just like noodles fried or something. I've seen videos, but then you dip in sour cream. It's supposed to taste like a cheesecake or something. I don't know if this is much of a hack, but it's good. Okay. I feel like these by themselves would be really bad. I would say the sour cream makes them better. 4 out of 10? 3.5? I feel like 4 was a little bit generous. I'm gonna go with 3.5 out of 10. The rest is some assembly required. Oh no. Oh no. Oh
Did you
no.
just spill sticky drink
no.
everywhere, Lori?
Oh no. Oh no. It's only a little bit, Kevin. It's only.
Bit, she says.
We gotta take these home and put our burrito together with our large flour tortilla. Alright, thanks to Kevin, we've got, why'd you get so many cinnamon twists? We got our large flour tortilla.
Wait, is that the 10 inch or
by
12
itself.
inch? Because I asked for the 12, but that looks like a 10 to me. I think we need to get the tape measure. I demanded the 12 inch.
So we put this Cinnabon Delights, and then you crush these on top. Okay, now in this video, they didn't show adding anything else to it. It was just these 2 ingredients. I saw different videos from Taco Bell, and they said it's really dry like this, so you gotta add some sour cream. They hacked the hack. Look, sticky fingers, gone. Without touching anything.
The wonders of washing your hands.
Yeah, but with the instant tap, Kevin. Okay.
Is that sour cream?
It's sour cream.
Oh, that just ruined
They said
it.
sour cream. It's more gross when they do it though, because they're like squeezing it out of like almost like a caulking tube. Is that enough sour cream? I'm a saucy girl though.
You are saucy.
Okay, I'm rolling it up. I can't believe you ordered a large flour tortilla. You guys have to let me know if anyone's actually gone and done this, because sometimes I feel like you're just trolling. Like this isn't an actual thing. Okay, cross section.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah, we got it. Sour cream ruins in it, doesn't it?
It's just a lot. It feels like a lot of like carbs without flavor. The sour cream helps balance a little bit, adds a little moisture in there anyways, but no, not for me. I think I'd give it like a 2.5.
Can I help? Yeah. No.
You want to jiggle my cheeks? I have to admit, I don't have any idea what a Baja Blast is. I've never tried it. Have you tried it?
No, I don't think I've ever eaten from Taco Bell before.
It smells like a melted freezy.
How is it?
Like a melted freezy. It's like a bit of fizz, but mainly like a blue melted freezy. That is sweet.
Can I try?
Let's add some, yeah, come
Why do you do this to me every time?
on. What do you mean? Come.
I just want a little sip. Blue, I think it's a white freezy.
White freezy? Freezy nonetheless.
That's not very good.
You had 3 big sips.
Yeah, but it gets really chemically after the 3rd.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well let's add some ice cream to it. So this is a hack to make it like a float, I guess.
This is weird. You're supposed to stir it like that?
Yeah.
I thought fruits you're supposed to like leave them as a cone.
Well, I don't know. They said give it a little stir.
Okay. It looks cool.
Cheers.
Or something.
I feel like it's just gonna like coagulate in my belly. It's such a bad word, coagulate.
Did it coagulate? It's like separating again.
No. I don't even know how to describe it, but just like no. One. No, never again.
Straight to jail.
Straight to jail. Now, takeout is great from time to time, but I usually want a quality cooked meal, even when I don't have time to actually make it. That's why Cook Unity is amazing. They're the first chef-to-you meal delivery service with over 70 award-winning chefs. Each week, their menu rotates, so there's always something new to try. You can select meals based off of your dietary preferences, including vegan, paleo, gluten-free. I mean, I was shocked at how many incredible options they had, even with a restrictive diet. Their summer risotto, made by Ann Thornton, looks absolutely mouth-watering. They source fresh seasonal produce, prioritizing whole foods and local suppliers. They then cook up meals in regional micro kitchens and ship fresh, never frozen meals to you every week. The subscription is super flexible too, so you can pause or skip weeks or cancel anytime. So you'll have the freedom of not cooking, but without all those lengthy commitments. Honestly, meal planning and shopping and prepping and cooking just isn't always possible with our schedule. So it's brands like Cook Unity that are a complete lifesaver for us. Go to cookunity.com/icing50 or click the link down below my description and use my code icing50 to get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals and try them out for yourself. Next up, this seems more like a dessert place and to have more yummy things. Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. I personally hate ordering out in public and filming in public. Not a fan. Sorry. Wrong door. See, this is what I'm talking about. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I do one small Reese's peanut butter blizzard? And can I add cookie dough to that?
It's gonna be a really long drive home. They're melting already. See how glossy they are? I stuck napkins in around the cones to try to secure them because otherwise they were just like flopping around in the cups. What's dripping? Should I lick one? Will that make it worse?
There's gonna be nothing left of it.
Ah! Stop it, the bumps!
I'm trying to be careful.
Somebody send an adult! Do we have a basket or a bin or a bag? We have no bag. We have no covering
I
napkins.
have to dry.
Drape them over me.
I have to dry.
Create a napkin bin.
Yeah, that's what you get.
Oh my god, I just had a realization.
What's that?
We're smashing these into a bowl. I can turn these upside down. They don't need to stay right side
That
up.
would have been so funny if you didn't realize that until we got home.
You were handling this remarkably well considering you really, really hate sticky things in the car.
I'm trying not to come off. Why'd you stop?
I was like, ready? I was like, okay. It's going. Bring it on.
What's that?
Oh, we oh. Ice, ice, ice. Slow it down.
Are you okay?
Yeah. They forgot my treats. This is like that smash. Oh, that's liquid. This is that smash sundae thing. People were just kind of smashing. That just feels rubbery now. See, that's the cones get like rubbery when they're not fresh, so you'd have to eat this really quickly. I'm a savor my ice cream kind of girl. I had treats on hand. I always have treats on hand. And you just like mash it on up and make like a cone sundae. Like everyone's just traveling around with little containers in their cars. I mean, it's good because it's ice cream and chocolate sauce and cookies. Like, how are you supposed to bite into that? I know everyone showed that with like little small shards. I think if you
haven't tried yet.
Chewy, rubbery. I think there are some crunchy bits in here somewhere. Eat fresh. Like, I feel like this isn't the type of thing you can,
I think that's Subway.
this is not the type of thing you can take home. But the bits of crunchy cone, if you did this fresh, I feel like it would be a 7. But I think you should just do like an upside down sundae in like 1 cup and do it in your car and not do a big thing like this. Stop chasing me. Okay, so online it said the hot chocolate sauce, but this is their hot fudge sauce, which is like really thick. But when I was looking, it looks like the chocolate dip sauce because it actually like hardens. So you're supposed to take your cold blizzard scoop and then like dip it in the chocolate dip sauce and then it hardens.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See?
Okay.
And got a little shell.
Yeah.
That's really good. If my ice cream wasn't as soupy, I did not know you could get the chocolate dip sauce on the side. And I'm a fan. I would guess an 8 out of 10.
This is just a pile of mess that you're leaving. Not gonna be good.
Ready. Aren't you ready? Yeah, you wanna go for a car ride? Let's go. On our way to Starbucks. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed my nails. Focus not on my face, on my,
You're too close there.
what, how do I?
You're always too close.
Is
to the
it in
camera.
focus now?
I don't know. I can't see from here. I'm driving.
There's that one, and then there's, I'm trying to block my face. Anyways, they're Disney
Zoom in
and
with the lens and pull the camera.
they're Disney and Universal nails because next week I'm going out that way to film another video we're working on. Also, happy Pride Month, everyone. We didn't make any Pride Month content this year because we were renovating and I'm really sad about it, but we posted it all over social media. So check out Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. So we've got lots of content going on there, but I love all of you. Ready for the Starbucks drive-thru?
Yes.
Are you ready?
My wife saw some TikToks and they had a bunch of made up drinks on them, so she's asked me to order a bunch. So it's gonna be a big order, I think.
Sure, hit me with it.
All right, the first thing's a strawberry shortcake frappuccino. That's a simple one. It's 1 grande vanilla bean frappuccino, but with sweet cream as the base, strawberry puree around the sides of the cups, add in whipped cream and caramel crunchies layered in. Okay, the next one's a Snickers Frappuccino, and the next one is 1 grande white mocha cream base Frappuccino.
Alright.
And then there is also 1 shot of hot espresso by itself on the side.
And so a shot of espresso.
Just like on the side, like a separate thing.
Alright, we're just gonna do a solo shot. Sounds good. Anything else?
That is it. Thank you very much. What? And they put the drive-through window beside like the busiest road in Ontario. Like, why?
Oh my god, I love that you said that your wife saw some of these on TikTok. You had to order them.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
We've got the strawberry shortcake. So that looks. You want to see my nails in the shot?
Look, they're finally in focus, everyone.
They sell these at Starbucks. Like this looks like some fancy milkshake. Okay, I should say that a strawberry sundae is one of my favorite desserts, and this is like a strawberry sundae but in drink form. I'm a really big fan.
Not too sweet?
No, I
What's
thought
in
about.
that?
I don't even. I don't
said
even know.
So many hipster words.
I don't even
know what it was.
I'm gonna give it a 9. If I wanted like a milkshake, I would get this 100%. It's better than like a strawberry milkshake because it's like a strawberry sundae, but in drink form. It's different somehow. Snickers Frappuccino. No, you can't have that. It has chocolate sauce. I don't know about that one.
What's wrong with it?
So it's got a really strong coffee flavor that's really good, but I just feel like it doesn't have like a lot of depth of flavor. It's just kind of like coffee with chunks of caramel. They're good, but I feel like it's more of a 6.5. Okay, this is the cookie dough. It looks like cookies and cream. I was expecting like a proper cookie dough.
But there was no cookie dough in the order.
No. Honestly, it just tastes like milk with like a lot of chunks of cookies. It's okay, but I don't know that I would order that again. But the strawberry one, yes, please.
But what are you supposed to do with the espresso shot?
Oh crap. We have to take that home. It has to go in the milkshake at home. Oh, it's good stuff. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you love the don't drop stuff, Kevin. I'll freak out. This one's technically Dairy Queen. It's just an espresso mixed into a milkshake. So we had to go get the espresso from Starbucks and then come back and get our milkshake. I don't know, there's not that much. They said a single espresso into a vanilla milkshake, but I feel like you need more than a single because it barely mixed in.
Well, I guess it depends on what size milkshake you're mixing.
I did a small.
That's a small?
That is a small.
Wow. How is it? All right, just take a sip and taste it. You don't need to chug the whole thing.
There is nothing coming through the straw.
Looked like you were chugging it.
I'm gonna eat it with a spoon, I think. I can't get it through the straw. Okay. I mean, at first my mouth is like, no thank you, because that's weird and different. But now,
Coffee ice cream is not original.
it's not original, but like pouring coffee, like espresso into like a milkshake is different. But like it does, it creates almost like a creamy espresso ice cream. I'm not mad at it. 6.8. No, 7.2. Somewhere in that range. Okay, love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to our kitchen. I know we did the kitchen video and this is the other video, but this feels like the first video back. I missed you. I love you. I'm happy to be back.